Alright, this is a quick tour of the brand new Margaritaville Times Square Resort in New York City. This is going to be room 2805. Nice large screen TV. Two double beds. Some decent artwork. Ceiling fan. Nice panoramic shot on the wall. And the view. Nice Keurig coffee maker with Margaritaville branded coffee. And safe and refrigerator with actual controls. You can control the temperature. And a good size bathroom. Nice vanity. Margaritaville St. Somewhere branded shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And a nice rainfall shower head. Again, this is the Margaritaville Resort, Times Square, New York City. Room 2805 on the 28th floor. And the HVAC controls, nice digital. And again, some more of the exclusive artwork to Margaritaville Resorts. And that's it. Margaritaville Resort, Times Square, New York City, the Big Apple.